Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook beef tongue. Begin by rinsing your beef tongue thoroughly under cool water, ensuring it is clean. Carefully trim away any noticeable excess fat or gristle from its base. Next, place the cleaned tongue into a large pot and cover it completely with water, adding 1 tablespoon of salt and a few whole peppercorns. Bring this to a strong boil for approximately 30 minutes to start the cooking process. After the initial boil, carefully take the tongue from the hot water and immerse it immediately into an ice bath for a few minutes. This rapid cooling helps loosen the outer skin. While the tongue is still warm, which makes the process much simpler, gently peel away the tough outer layer. Once peeled, return the tongue to a clean pot with fresh water, ensuring it is covered by at least 2 inches. Simmer it very gently for 3 to 4 hours, allowing it to become wonderfully fork tender. To enhance the flavor profile, add some aromatic vegetables to your simmering pot during the last hour or so. Consider incorporating 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 3 celery stalks, along with 2 bay leaves and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. You might also add half a teaspoon of dried rosemary for an earthy note. Continue cooking until the tongue reaches an internal temperature of at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit and feels incredibly soft when gently pierced with a fork. This ensures it is thoroughly cooked and succulent. Once fully cooked, let the tongue cool down just enough so it's comfortable to handle, but still warm. For the best texture, always slice it thinly against the grain. This helps keep it tender and prevents chewiness. You can enjoy the sliced tongue warm, perhaps with a classic mushroom gravy or a zesty horseradish sauce. It's also fantastic chilled, making delicious cold cuts for sandwiches or a protein-rich addition to a vibrant salad. It's truly a versatile dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.